My name is Ashok C. Jala. Let us learn how to convert string into integer and integer into string in ASP.NET with C#. So first I share my screen. Okay. Then I already opened the Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2012 Express for Web Edition. First, we have to open new website. So open website, you have to not idea of how to create the website. And go in my first demo. Okay, then there is my website folder name basic demo, and in file menu new file, take new file. So here I select my website folder, file, new file. Okay, here Visual C# is selected and WebForm. Here give the name of file. So here give the sum dem. Okay, then here not any change requirement because master quiz is basic standard control. After we apply in the my series of demo, and subscribe my channel Ashok C. Jala Academy. Okay, then press add button. Okay, here default code like in HTML header and body part, but appear is very small font size. So in tool menu, go in tool menu and select the option, and here you can select the environment. In here font and color, in environment section you can select the font and color option, and default size of font is a 10. Then you can increase the like 14. So appear is very well. Okay, here give the title to your web page like some demo. Okay, then in division tag you have take ASP colon is a prefix in ASP.NET. Every tag start in ASP colon. Then panel, we have to take one panel as a container control. So give ID like P1, run it server side. Then grouping tags is a two integer sum. Okay, then tag is and. In ASP.NET we have three technique to take the any code. Like we have first technique, that is the first technique you can directly write source code like ASP colon panel tag we have to take. Same way first technique I have applied ASP colon in label. So first technique we directly write to our source code ourselves. Okay, here LBL. Okay, then run it server side always because ASP.NET is a server side scripting language, and give the tags like I can give the first number. Okay, then okay, now let us here is a toolbox is there. You can click that auto hide button, then standard. There is the category of all controls: standard, data, validation, navigation, logging, web part, Ajax, extension, dynamic. We can my series of demo lecture, you can every category we can take one control example. Okay, let us start the standard control, and in this standard control there is my second technique to take the web page to add the control. Like we can select the drag drop, second technique, text box we can directly, and that is automatically source code is appear. Okay, so source code is a directly right. So here we have to take single tag. Okay, and change the text box ID like txt first and fn first number. Okay, then in my two text box demo you can know the very well. every control appear in single line. So here we can provide the break a new line, and after that we have copied the code. Okay, then requirement of change, like we have here give the second number label text is changed. Same way in the text box ID requirement of our coding part, so s and txt is a prefix. You can apply them every control as a prefix to giving the ID, so better you can in coding part understanding which control you have to work. Okay, then we have to take the button. So I apply the third technique. Okay, button control is here. I have just double click on button control, and that button is appear in the source. So there are three techniques. First technique, you can directly type the ASP colon or any first letter of that control and type ID run at server side, or any grouping tags like panel control or any other control. You can ID run it like label and tags. Second technique, you can drag and drop in the toolbox to take your control. And third technique, you can double click in the control in toolbox. So now take one PR tag, and also one take the label. We can apply the third tagging, double click label. So that label is used for output. So we have to change that ID LBL answer, uh, and also we can change that text as a output. Okay, and I also change my button prefix BT sum. Okay, and here text is also sum. Okay, after that, this demo completion, you can apply the subtraction, division. You can take more than one buttons, like one is summation, another is division, multiplication, or arithmetic basic operator. You have to take one demo for yourself. Okay, we have to see the designing. That is the first number, second number. There is the label. There is two text box. We have provided here directly one page and here one page. So our goal is we have to apply two integer number, and when click the button, then output display in the label that two integer sum. So let us start the coding part. We double click in the sum button. That sum button click is event is open in demo.aspx.cs. That is the code behind file. So here we have to convert string to integer. So we have to take three integer variable x, y, and z. Okay, x equal to txt first number dot text. Here error is appear. Okay, so red line is for error. Here error you can see in tooltip, cannot implicit convert type string to integer. So we have to use the in C# convert class is there, convert dot to int and 32, because integer support Java and C# 4 bytes space for storing. So here we have to select the 2 int 32, that is method of convert class. Okay, for same way we have to apply second value, but we have to use another technique to converting to the string to integer. That technique directly you have to apply the data type, like int32 was false. Okay, pass is a convert to the string to the integer value. So here txt sn dot text. Okay, so semicolon is ending, and we have to sum z equal to x plus y and give the label lbl answer dot text, our output label, and here we give the title sum is, and plus sign concatenation of z to convert directly integer to string. You can also use the toString, because in Java and C# every simple value is known as object value. So here directly appear the toString dot you have to apply. Then this all method is for z variable. So there is z is a like object value. So here we can see, okay, we have to remove the remove the space between the our code line. Okay, so Control S for saving and F5 function for running. We see the our page output. Okay, that is the web.config file here modified. So our page is passed out in IIS. IIS is a primary web server in ASP.NET. Full form of IIS is a Internet Information Service or server. Okay, let us yes, our output appear here. Two integer sum. So we have to take any value like 10 and 20 and press the sum button. The sum is 30. So that is the how convert integer value to string and string value to integer. That is the complete my demo. You can follow on the Facebook, and also you can subscribe my Ashok C Jhala Academy. Okay, uh, thank you.